Hello guys, welcome back to another video about Vechain. So finally guys, in this video I'm talking about the future plan of the Vechain. What is the future plan of Vechain? Is in the future the price of Vechain will pump? Is in the future the price of Vechain will jump? So guys, let me show you is you get profit or loss in the future. Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, please click the subscribe button now for more news and updates videos about Vechain. The currently live price changes occur in the Vechain in the market is you can see here the last 1 hour changes is positive, last 1 day change is negative, and last 1 week changes occur in the Vechain in the market is positive. Only guys the last 1 day changes of the Vechain is negative. Only guys yesterday change is negative, and except after yesterday the previous changes, the latest changes of the Vechain in the market is positive. So I think that's really good news for you because the latest change is again positive. Let me show you the price chart of the Vechain. But guys, subscribe is very important for all of you. Now you can see here guys from the price chart, first of all 101% the price changes is positive. Really a big achievement of Vechain, and you can see here absolutely a massive jumps occur by a Vechain in the market. You can see here, but in the latest situation you can see here yesterday the price of the Vechain falls down, but that's not mean then you decide to see, just hold for a long time. You know what guys, a lot of people ask me question that how much time the dumping of the Vechain will continue. No, after few days, after 4 days, after 1 week, the price of Vechain will again increase. Now already you know about the last 1 hour change is positive. So possibility that now they continue this positive changes for a long time. You can't say about the future, but possibilities guys that after 4 days, after 1 week, the price will again pump. Anyways, what you think about Vechain also share on the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel.